Understanding Dict.Copy, shallow or deep? While reading up the documentation for Dict.Copy, it says that it makes a shallow copy of the dictionary. Same goes for the book I am following, Beasley's Python reference, which says, the M.Copy method makes a shallow copy of the items contained in a mapping object and places them in a new mapping object. Consider this. So I assumed this would update the value of original and add C3, also since I was doing a shallow copy. Like if you do it for a list. This works as expected. Since both are shallow copies, why is that the Dict.Copy doesn't work as I expect it to? Or my understanding of shallow versus deep copying is flawed?
By shallow copying, it means the content of the dictionary is not copied by value, but just creating a new reference. In contrast, a deep copy will copy all contents by value. So, B equals A, reference assignment, make A and B points to the same object. B equals a dot copy, shallow copying, A and B will become two isolated objects, but their contents still share the same reference. B equals copy dot deep copy, a deep copying, A and B's structure and content become completely isolated.
New and original are different dicts, that's why you can update just one of them. The items are shallow copied, not the dict itself.
Take this example. Now let's change a value in the shallow first level. Now let's change a value one level deeper.
It's not a matter of deep copy or shallow copy, none of what you're doing is deep copy. Here, you're creating a new reference to the list/dict referenced by original. While here, you're creating a new list/dict which is filled with a copy of the references of objects contained in the original container.
I want to watch